Okay, it is no secret I have a sweet tooth. Here are some recent desserts that have tempted my taste buds in the Crescent City. Two of the very best donuts at Hertz Donuts
key lime, yeah.
on Loyola and Poydras, the peanut butter cup and the key lime pie. I have had both of these donuts before, but before the holidays really kick off in earnest, I thought a donut run was in order. The key lime pie donut is, well, it's big. It's as big as my hand. It is rich and doughy and large and chewy and utterly delicious. The key lime custard filling is aces. It comes out the bottom of the donut and it gets all over your fingers, and it's just wonderful. The peanut butter cup is cakey and fudgy, more like a traditional donut, and on top studded with peanut butter and chocolate candy bar pieces. The total for the two donuts, $4.70. Not bad. I've also been doing quite a bit of baking in my own kitchen. Here is my chocolate cherry cobbler still bubbling away in the oven, and some green and gold cupcakes for Oregon Ducks game day. I've also recently discovered the New Orleans Ice Cream Company and their amazing flavors, the white chocolate bread pudding. Yes, that's a flavor, and as well their cafe au lait and beignets. Delicious. One of the absolute best restaurant desserts I had this year was at Cochon, the Donald Link restaurant in New Orleans. They do a sort of Cajun meets Southern menu, lots of pork, lots of spicy flavors. It's a terrific menu. They've got whiskeys and bourbons and ryes galore, but the desserts at Cochon really light my fire. It looks simple. It sounds simple on the menu, the chocolate pudding, but it is a revelation. It is so amazingly thick. Look at this. The spoon only goes in with effort, and the spoon stands up right there in the chocolate pudding. Hello, you know this is going to be good. So incredibly rich. It's like the flavor, it's like chocolate velvet in the mouth. The peanut butter mousse is terrific, and you get those spicy candied peanuts on top to boot. As the holidays really begin at the end of the year, remember, you don't have to fill up on stuffing. Save room for what's important. Dessert. Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving, and from all of us here in the Crescent City, thanks for watching.